Fit does the northeast of Scotland mean to me? The short answer, a basket of delights. Now to explain what I mean by that, I have to start a while back when I was a bairn at the squeal, where teacher pointed to a big map in the wa and said, "That's a map of Scotland, and we bide in this bitty out here." He said the easy way to mind is that Scotland looks just like an old fisher wifey with a creel in her back, and we bide in the creel. As I've got older, the more I've thought about that creel, nae what it looks like, but what it huds. The history of the three F's, fechting, farming and fishing, would take hour long to put into words. But luckily, I dinna hate tell, because it's all rowed up with our songs and music. If you drive in any direction fae Turra, you'll see the names of farms and castles and tunes that'll hae you singing or fussling in nae time of a. I'll bet you've heard this afore.
Van the harbour a refuge was first spoke about. Aberdeen and Steenhithe, they were fair knocked out. Van they heard that the convicts were getting best feeling. Oh, we'd walk and tatties and there he'd heron.
There's the muckle songs like the Baron of Brockley and Tifty's Annie that were handed down in families and communities over hundreds of years. Then in the 19th century came the Bothy ballads, evolving in the charmers of our firm tunes and passed on by word of mouth, firm to firm, I was changing as they went. Then at the start of the 20th century we had the Cornkisters, the pop songs of their day, screeved by George Bruce Thompson, George Morris and Willie Kemp. And with a wheen of recht weed poets as well. The eens I like it best was Charles Murray, John Bell, Flora Gary, Ian Middleton and of course Peter Buchan. Here's a verse for his wee love poem, You Wouldna Be Selt. Were I to whisper, precious heart, you'd think I was na wheel. Or did I mention Cupid's dart, you'd say, ye great all feel. I fancy cared I might hae bocht, 'twould been an easier plan. But lass, ye're worth a sweeter thocht than verse that's second hand. But dinna think it's all in the past or out heavy. Music, stories and verse are in the DNA of Aberdeenshire. I was whiz, I was will be. At Portsoy, Salmon, Bothy, there's some rare stuff still being scribed by Wheelkind folk like Les Wheeler and new converts like Doug High, for captures a picture of country folk in a puckle words. Well, it takes a kinds of folk to gar the world turn around. There's fisher folk and farmers, and them that's fae the tune. Well, some are gay old tricket, and others off a gweed, a fair old merry mishmash, to gar ye claw your heed. And fit about this for twa young makers injecting fun and energy into our tradition.
But I never thought I'd get excited about a double-decker bus. I never knew I could handle 15